Good day everyone, I am Talali and this is the Gulf Sniper. Today I'm going to show you the top 5 gainers on the screener for the day for Friday the 25th of June 2021. Our setting of course is as usual, stop exit or stop loss is to be, stop limit is to be at 3% lower than our entry. The profit, the targeted profit is 7% of the take profit, and our basis is $10,000 as a starting equity, and the share size is 3,000 shares per trade. The dollar range or the price is ranging from $1.5 to $10 only, and the commission per my trader CBM is $3.95 per trade per a position. So per an open, every opening is a 3.95 and closing a position is a 3.95 as well. So let me take you through the results of the day. Our top 5 as you can see, we start here. Our top 5 is based on the gainers, the most profitable one and the other 5 profitable ones. Actually we have more than 5, but we will always as usual highlight only the top 5. So the most profitable one was ASPS, and it took 2 hours and 2 minutes to make 7%. The entry was 8.58 and the exit price was 9.18. Of course the shares were 3,000, and gross profit without the commissions is $1,801.80. So let's see how is the entry happening. Of course, you know our conditions as usual. Just for those who are watching our update for the first time, usually we don't enter any position until the 9 exponential moving average breaks the 20 days simple moving average, and we usually watch our stop loss, and whenever we are close to the moving averages we put our stop loss slightly lower than that, and we maintain the ratio 3 as a stop loss to 7 as profit. So we make it 2 to 1, around 2 to 1 actually, keeping in mind the commissions as well. So here for the first for the top 5 first stock, it took 2 hours. Usually we only allow for 3 candles, or equivalent to 15 to 20 minutes only, so this is pretty longer time for us. But since the market is not that downtrending, we can stay there and wait for another opportunity. So that's the first opportunity. Moving to WNW, you can see in the daily it was testing the 50 days simple moving average. So confirming the entry, or actually the penetration of the 20 days moving average with the momentum, and within 10 minutes window only, 2 candles only, we made the 7%, equivalent to $1,471.20. You can see the entry at a perfect position actually, just right after, you know, taking off and moving above the, you know, confirming the cross between the two moving averages, the 9 days and the 20 days. And the confirmation is also, since it is above the simple weighted moving average, the weighted moving average I mean, you can see easily that we made that 7% only within 10 minutes. Next one is more interesting actually. Gne in 2 minutes only made that 7% in one candle at the end of the trading. That was a gift of the, you know, the weekend gift, you can say it. So the entry was perfect. Again, lengthy consolidation, perfect. Changing in the direction and break through all the previous resistance ahead of it. Seems that it was, no, there was no news actually on the 25th. This came after the 13% as a result of this. So this news came after, and this news was a day before, so there was no catalyst here actually for Gne, but seems that there was, of course, there was an obvious movement. Okay, so that made a profit of 7%, sweet one, in only 2 minutes. Next is STRR. In 18 minutes it made our 7% from 3.23 at 10.06 in a very perfect movement. Again, the daily also is showing fantastic movement, so this is a perfect one in 1, 2, 3, 4, about 20 minutes. Last but not least for this day is Ttnp, and in 7 minutes, of course, first of all, see how it made a sweet move on Tuesday, then consolidation or preparation for takeoff on Wednesday. That was on Wednesday. Then on Thursday, preparation for taking off, and it made a very, very wonderful movement on Friday. So we took our share in that only in 7 minutes, equivalent to 1 or 2 candles only, and we took our 7% here, making $592.20. So that's a perfect one also, and good closure for our trading day and the week as well. Now there are other opportunities that we will not talk about them, and we will limit ourselves to the daily top 5 stocks for the day. Of course, for those who are subscribing with us, they can see the daily daily streaming live, and I will be uploading as usual the session after editing, so whomever is interested, he or she can see how we made those profits as well. Next week, of course, will be the review of the month of June, and we'll compare what we have done in June compared to the previous months. Quickly, you can see here that June was a good month. There are ups and downs, but overall I can easily achieve, I can say easily that we have achieved the 250%, more than 200 times the investment, better than the previous months. Of May was also a good month, but April actually was a hilarious month with a profit of only 9%. So of course still there are 2 or 3 days actually to go before the review of the month of June. Until then, I wish you a very wonderful weekend and enjoy trading with the Gulf Sniper. Bye bye for now.